now Sidin, let's start with chapter number 9, sending and receiving message. What we call it? We call it communication. So we cannot live alone in this world. We want to share our thoughts with others. We want to send and receive message. So we do so by talking and writing, and what we call it communication. So development of science and technology has led to many new ways of communication. This wonderful methods has been developed after the efforts of many few. A few centuries ago, men used to go from one place to another by giving or receiving message. So development of means of transport. With the passage of time, what happened? The means of transport made the work easier and faster. So letters and greeting cards. We know that millions of letters and greeting cards are sent and received through post office, for which country use stamps to recover the charges of the service provided for this purpose. Then we have telephone and fax machine. Then we started to send message faster through the telegraph. In this way, we could send and receive message for any part of the world in less than 24 hours. ठीक है, 24 आवर्स से पहले ही हम मैसेज को भेज सकते हैं. So it needs to be mentioned that now telegraph service of our postal department have discontinued. The internet is the worldwide network of computer जो computers को दूसरे computer से link कर, right? It has the facility of electronic mail or email. We can communicate with anyone who has an email address through our computer. The internet also gives us information about almost every field, and it is rightly said that internet has brought world at our doorstep. The telephones has changed our lives and completely, and we can talk to any person in any part of the world with the help of STD or ICSD. Nowadays, cellular mobile phones are very common. They helps us to communicate with others anytime, anywhere. इस मेथड को क्या बोला जाता है? कम्युनिकेशन. सो मास कम्युनिकेशन, मेनी टाइम्स वी हैव टू कम्युनिकेट विद लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल. एक ही टाइम पे आपको बहुत सारे लोगों से बात करनी होती है. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट यू नीड, वी नीड अ मास कम्युनिकेशन लाइक न्यूज़पेपर, magazine, right? So first is radio. The invention of radio by Guglielmo Marconi brought a great revolution in mass communication. Now message could be sent to the whole world in short time. Apart from sending and receiving message, what you can do, here we can listen to different news of the different parts of the world. Then even illiterate person can use radio to learn. The person who do not know how to write, he can also, who do not know how to write or read, he can also listen to the news with the help of radio. So Marconi was an Italian electrical engineer. He is known as inventor of radio. He was born in Bologna and educated at University of Bologna. In his early age, he became interested in wireless telegraphy, and by 1895 he had developed an instrument with which we succeeded in sending signals to a point a few kilometers away. His system was used by British and Italian natives, right? And he was awarded with physics Nobel Prize. Then we have cinema. Cinema now entertains millions of people throughout the world. We can use cinema not only for entertainment but also for spreading knowledge and education. So films are used to entertain, educate and inform people. Films that gives us news and other useful information, what we known as documentary. Then we have television. John Logie Baird invented television and brought cinema to our homes. And now we can get news. Now here we can get news, information, entertainment in our homes. Most of the villages in our country provided with community television. Events of national and international importance has been seen to our television. So the Olympic Games, all major tournament and events, living sitting in a comfort of our homes. Television has brought the people of this world very close to one another. Now communication satellite. The scientists of the world are always finding new technique for better communication. Man-made communication satellites are sent into space with the help of rockets. So these satellites can pick up signals from place and relay them to other places. Now it is possible for radio, telephone and television to transmit and receive signals from the all around the world. Advertisement is the latest development in mass communication. It is used by companies to popularize their products. Newspaper and magazine, it gives variety of advertisement, and advertisement on radio, television, they are very helpful even on illiterate people. जो people illiterate होते हैं, and with effective and useful means of we must use these developments for the benefit of mankind. और हमें इन developments का use करना चाहिए for the benefits of the mankind. Right? Now we have completed this chapter. Hope you understood. We will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.